Hey guys, here's an updated guide on how to set up and install Star Wars movie deals in 2025. Let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing you're going to need to do, and by the way, this is on PC only. So, first you're going to need to get Steam installed on your desktop, on PC of course, and then you're going to need to buy, unless you already have a copy, you're going to need to install Star Wars Jedi Knight Jedi Academy. And then bing. That is step one. Alright, step two, look up movie duels. Click on this website, ModDB, Star Wars Movie Deals Mod. You'll see this page, go to files. You'll see a couple options. You could do the automatic installation. If you do, that's pretty self-explanatory. In fact, I'll go in there real quick. You go in here and download now. 7 gigs. So it is going to take a minute, to install, but that is the automatic method. Now the manual method, update 6 part 1, part 2, we need to install both of them. So I'm going to do that. Wait till it pops up right here. Oh, you can't even see that. Yep, you see? This part 1's downloading. And then we're going to get part 2 going. Download now. And any second. There we go. And now you're just going to wait until everything is done downloading. Jedi Academy shouldn't take long to install. It's a pretty small game, but the mods themselves will take a minute. But yeah, that's what you gotta do next. Alright, next step, you're gonna go back to Steam, and you don't have to wait for everything to finish downloading to do this step. But once this is done, it's all installed, click right here, Manage. Manage again, Browse Local Files. It's going to open up this folder and just have this ready to go. Now, next step. Once everything is finished downloading, you're going to have 2 files right here. And what you're going to want to do, this also might take maybe a minute, maybe not. We'll see. Let's see. Maybe about like 15 seconds roughly for me. But what you're going to do is right click, extract all, both of these. And then we're just going to wait till this is done. Now, as you can see, I have a couple folders here. I got MD Update 6 Part 2.1, and then there's Part 1. So, what you're going to do for Part 1, quite literally, in the Jedi, first off, to our left is the game directory. You get this from Browse Local Files on Steam of Jedi Academy. And you're going to open that, which we'll go through that again real quick. Right here, Settings, Manage, Browse Local Files. I didn't click it because I already have it open right here. So you're going to, this will pop up, open Game Data, Part 1, drag it over. Drag it over. It's going to do its thing. There's half of it. There's half of it. Now, the second file we downloaded, same thing. Select all of it, drag it over. And it's going to say, yep, destination is 2 files. Replace these files in the destination. That's all you got to press. That's all you got to press. And now, you're done. And now if you want to play, that's what I do. Movie Duels x86 exe. Right click, send to desktop, and there we go. Shortcut. Now if I double click this, it might say this, run anyway, because it's a game. And boom, there you go. Movie Duels, installation setup guide 2025. The mic is understandable, and and I hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, of course, comment down below. And thanks for watching. And I hope you had a good day. May the Force be with you.